So Princess Cruise, Grand Princess, going under the bridge. Only 3 meters. And it's only 3 meters from the top of the smokestack to the bridge.
Gonna go.
Alright, ready?
Backside of the bridge.
Yep, backside of the bridge.
Look under the bridge, look under, look up, look up, look up.
Look up, look up.
Hello? Hi.
What is one underside of the bridge?
That was cool.
That's cool. We fit! That was close! Now let's hope he takes the right turn. Let's get right. Left turn.
All right, all right.
If he takes the wrong turn here, he'll go to Alaska, which he usually does. But he doesn't want to go to Alaska now. He wants to go to Los Angeles. So let's hope he doesn't forget. Right, Mom? There's North Van and West Van.
Yeah, so
That's Stanley Park, Vancouver.
that was fun. I'm glad we came out under the bridge.
Yep. There's another cruise ship waiting to come in. There's one behind us trying to get out. We got bombs coming, bombers. See the cruise ship over there, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
He's waiting to come in. Wild. Should we just go up the stairs on the outside here? Area right there in front of us. Sorry. Where all the disco dancing happens. They have the big DJ and the big party all night.
Look, another explorer.
Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Very quiet area at night. As we say that, everyone's yelling and laughing. But yeah, you can get a nice bookmark down here. Up at the very top is where the basketball and pickleball and all that stuff. There's a shuffleboard down here.
Clowns out there.
They're jumping right now.
I'm sorry it's so dark. I can't see them.
Only Ma can see the jumping. They're out there. Okay, only Ma can see the jumping whales.
Right. I'm sorry you're missing them.
That's all right. These kinds of brass objects were used to trap these spirits.
There's something inside.
No clue. If there is something trapped in here, that's for a good reason.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a peek at psychokinetic energy. Can do that?
Thank you for asking. So many places do that without asking.
Some reaction.
Are you on the subway line?
Full bore convective spatter.
You took the words right out of my mouth.
I'll take the works.
Sorry, I don't have change.